Igama lami ngu-Anelo Wandawonde, ngisuka kwi-district Harry Gwala. Namhlanje besizogijima eThekwini i-KZN Championship i-stadium i-Kings Park. Ama-championship abeqala izolo. Bengizoparticipate ngidlala i-1,500 and 5,000 meters. Ngizorepresenta isikole sami combined score. Ngiziva ngijabule kakhulu ngokuthi ngidlalele imidlalo yethu ngaze ngakwazi ukuqualify for SA champion and ama-scores. Engingakusho kobodadewethu ukuthi cela bezohlangana nathi uBasubathi ukuze sizokwazi ukulwa nezimo ezinjengokuthi sifisana nama-drugs, sifisana ne-pregnancy sisebancane.
Hi, my name is Alyssa Bishop. I'm from Durban Girls High School in Greenwood.
Hi, I'm Taylor and I'm from St. Natal High in Port Chips, and we're both from CKS.
Yes. And mainly I came here today to achieve and thrive in my sports.
I came because I wanted to push myself to the best of my abilities.
And the main message I told myself this weekend is that after every storm comes a rainbow, and you must expect the unexpected.
Mine was that even through all the hard times, you just need to push through even when things get difficult.
Thank you so much.
Sanibonani, igama lami ngu-Anelo, ngiqhamuka kwi-district Harry Gwala, ngifunda eDlangane High School. Namhlanje bengizodlala i-5,000 KZN Championship akade eqala izolo phela namhlanje. Ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi ngikwazi ukudlala i-5,000. Ngijabule kakhulu ukuthi ngikwazi ukudlala i-5,000 nokwenza isikhathi sase-5,000 pounds wami ngokukhokhiswa kuma-SA Championship. Bengifisa ukudlulisa kubantu ukuthi kumele beze nabo sizogijima sonke kube mnandi ukuze bezogomela ey'ntweni eziningi ezingasile, njengokuthi mhlawumbe ugcine usuphuza ama-drugs, uphuza utshwala obuncane. Uma ngabe wenza i-sport siyakwazi ukuthi siqoqe kulezo zinto lezo.